Shreya Bachche, many congratulations. Sorry we are not there to bless you in person because of the culprit is Corona. We wanted to come, but our lots of love and blessings are with you always, and we are here in temple and all gods are blessing you too, and we want to wish you all the happiness in your married life and all the prayers and blessings.
Good wishes,
for you.
prayers,
Yes,
and our
we
blessings are always with you.
We love you. We all love you, and
we will call you again.
Asha बुआ की तरफ से भी lots of love and blessings. We'll talk to you later. Bye बच्चे. Love you.
Bye बच्चा.
Bye. Bye.
Oh my God, I can't believe you're getting married. Of course, अगर तुम ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, that means I'm not there with you in person. And trust me, बहुत चीज़ें regret की है मैंने, including quitting my job right before the pandemic and being unemployed for almost a year. But this is a bigger regret than that. But some things are not in our control. Anyway, I genuinely from the bottom of my heart wish you both a very very happy married life. तुम्हारी तो आदत है to put your 110% in whatever you take up, so I'm sure marriage and everything, all the other duties and responsibilities that come with it, तुम उसको भी with the same grace and determination you will handle that. Akshay, this is for you. Good luck keeping up with Shreya's standards of perfection. But yeah, lots of love, and I really hope I can come see you guys soon, and wish you all the best and a very very happy married life.
Hey Shreya, this is Gokul here. Hope you're doing great. I know you're doing great. I'm so happy for you, man. Congratulations on your wedding. I wish you all the very best. I wish we could all be there, do an amazing dance routine for your Saki and the wedding. But still, yeah, we'll all catch up sometime very soon. But still, like Shreya, all the best. Happy for you, man. So happy for you. Congratulations once again. Take care.
Hi Shreya, congratulations. I'm so excited. I'm so happy for you. I really wanted to be there on your day for everything. I'm so sorry I couldn't make it. Stupid incident had to happen this time only. Anyway, I can't believe. I'm so happy for you, Shreya. तुम इतनी अच्छी फ्रेंड रही, and now you will be an amazing wife. I'm so sure. Akshay is so lucky to have you, and he gets to have yummy food made by you. Oh my God, I envy him so much. Shreya, you've been a wonderful friend, amazing support system. I can't believe. I'm really lucky to have you as my friend. I'm so excited. And what else to say? I'm just blank. And इतना कुछ प्लान किया था ना कि भी just सब शांत हो गया, तो even I'm blank now. समझ नहीं आ रहा, but yeah, I really wish you all the very best in your new journey ahead. I'm sure जैसे तुमने अपने लाइफ के सारे फेजेस को अच्छे से डील किया है, I'm sure this new journey भी तुम्हारा बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा. Wish you lots of good luck and happiness and don't be nervous on your big day. हम लोग सब मेरे साथ, my parents are equally excited. They were a little bit upset when they got to know कि डॉक्टर से, but anyway I'm really happy for you. उनका wishes भी तुम्हारे साथ है. My mom really wants to see you in your wedding outfit. I really want to see you in your wedding outfit. I'm super excited. Oh my god. And you know what, मेरे को I really felt कि तुम्हारी शादी में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता compared to Tamku and Vishali, but I love you, Shreya. I miss you so much. Thank you for always being there. I love you.
Hey Shreya, Harshita here. Many congratulations on your big day. You already know how much I wanted to be part of that day and how much I feel sorry for not being there. Anyways, टेंशन लेने के साथ साथ एंजॉय भी करना. टेक नो वरीज, सब मस्त तरीके से हो जाएगा. आई एम श्योर. विश यू लोड्स एंड लोड्स ऑफ लव एंड हैप्पीनेस. बस एंजॉय करना सारा. एंड हैप्पी वेडिंग डे.
Hearty congratulations on your wedding. I'm really sorry that none of us could attend the wedding, but hopefully I'll see you in Bombay and have fun, have a blast, and all the very best. I'll see you, man. I'll see you. Bye. Cheers.